In this video, we will show you how to insert image title easily on Microsoft Word. Usually, if we add the title on image using Microsoft Word, it look something like this. Using this manual title or caption, it's very difficult and we need to count the sum of image and etc. But in here we can automatically using insert caption tools on Microsoft Word to insert the caption or image title is easy. First, you can right click on image you want to insert the caption or title. Then you can click insert captions. For example, you can add new label. I will try to add this is my image number. Okay, you can also set the numbering in here, but this is just the basic. This is my image number 1. The number auto add in here. If you insert the caption, okay, will auto number 2, and in here also when you insert the caption is auto number 3 in here. But if you want to add the numbering based on your heading or chapter, you can also edit the numbering section in here. Just click include the chapter and you will find the heading 1 or heading 2, and you need to add the heading on your Word documents to give the number using your section instruction. Hope this video helpful for you.